subscribers that will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see it couldn't upload, try again. So how you can fix it? So first thing, just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your Wi-Fi. Just go to the settings, just find Wi-Fi, just scroll up and just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on again. So just restore your Wi-Fi network, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple, restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try to install update your iOS. So just go to the general, just tap on software update, just wait until it will check for updates and just tap on download and install the latest software on your iPhone. And if it doesn't help you, you just need to check your updates for your Instagram. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, just tap on search tab Instagram, and just if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest software on your iPhone for your Instagram app. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.